Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to break down AI agents in a way that's super simple and easy to understand. You've probably heard a lot about AI agents lately, but what exactly are AI agents? How do they work? And why are they such a big deal? Stick with me till the end, because by the time we're done, you'll not only know what AI agents are, but you'll also understand how they're already changing the way we work, live, and interact with technology. So, let's start with the basics. What is an AI agent? Think of an AI agent as a digital assistant, but way smarter and more independent than traditional AI systems like Siri or Alexa. Unlike those basic assistants, AI agents don't just respond to simple voice commands. They actually think, plan, and take action on their own to accomplish tasks without needing constant human input. In other words, an AI agent is software that can make decisions and take actions based on its environment, just like a human would. But instead of emotions and instincts, it uses data and algorithms to figure out what to do next. Now, you might be wondering, how are AI agents different from regular AI models like ChatGPT? Great question. Large language models, like ChatGPT, are great at generating text and other types of media such as images and videos, and answering questions, but they don't actually do things in the real world. They're like super smart textbooks that can explain things, but don't take action. AI agents, on the other hand, can go beyond just answering questions. They can access tools, automate tasks, and interact with software, making them much more powerful. Imagine you need to organize a meeting. Instead of the usual manual process of sifting through emails and notes, an AI agent takes charge. It begins by intelligently gathering relevant topics from previous meeting notes and discussions, then prioritizes these items based on urgency and importance, effectively constructing an agenda. The agent goes further by suggesting optimal time allocations for each topic, ensuring the meeting remains efficient and focused. Furthermore, it compiles all necessary documents and reports related to the agenda, making them readily accessible. To enhance preparedness, the agent can even collect feedback from participants beforehand, ensuring everyone is well-informed and ready for productive discussions. This streamlined approach allows for a more organized and efficient meeting experience. So how do AI agents actually work? Well, they have 4 key abilities that make them different from regular AI. First, planning. AI agents don't just react to commands. They think ahead. If you give them a goal, like, find me the best way to save money on my monthly subscriptions, they won't just spit out a list of options. Instead, they'll break down the problem, gather data, compare services, and even take steps to cancel or switch subscriptions for you. They act like a personal assistant who knows what needs to be done before you even ask. Second, interacting with tools. Unlike basic AI models, AI agents can browse the web, access APIs, use databases, and connect with other software. For example, an AI agent working in a company might read emails, schedule meetings, generate reports, and even analyze financial data, all automatically. This makes them incredibly useful for businesses, freelancers, and even everyday users who want to automate repetitive tasks. Third, memory and learning. Unlike traditional AI models, which often forget past conversations, AI agents can retain information and use it to make better decisions over time. For example, if you use an AI agent to organize your daily schedule, it will remember your past preferences, like which hours you prefer for meetings or which tasks you prioritize, and make smarter scheduling decisions moving forward. And finally, executing actions. This is where AI agents truly shine. Instead of just telling you what to do, they actually do it for you. Need a report generated? They'll compile the data and send it. Want to optimize your online store's pricing? They'll adjust it in real time based on market trends. They can send emails, automate workflows, and even communicate with other AI agents to get complex tasks done. Now, let's talk about why AI agents are such a game changer. The biggest reason? They save time. Instead of spending hours managing tasks manually, you can let AI agents handle everything in the background. This is especially valuable for businesses, where AI agents can automate customer support, manage social media, handle bookkeeping, and more. Imagine having an AI employee that works 24/7 without breaks. Pretty powerful, right? But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. AI agents aren't perfect, and there are some risks we need to be aware of. One concern is control. If AI agents are making decisions on their own, how do we ensure they don't make mistakes? For example, if an AI agent is handling financial transactions, how do we prevent it from making costly errors? That's why human oversight is still important. AI agents should assist us, not replace our judgment entirely. Another challenge is security. Because AI agents interact with external systems, they could be vulnerable to cyber attacks. If a hacker gains control of an AI agent, they could potentially manipulate its actions or access sensitive information. That's why developers are working hard to ensure AI agents are built with strong security protections. And then there's the ethical question. How much control should we give AI agents? If they become too powerful, they could start making decisions that impact society in ways we don't fully understand yet. For example, should AI agents be allowed to make hiring decisions in companies? Should they be used in legal cases to make judgments? These are important discussions we need to have as AI continues to evolve. But despite these challenges, the future of AI agents is incredibly exciting. Companies are already using them to automate complex business processes, researchers are using them to analyze vast amounts of data, and individuals are finding ways to use them for personal productivity. Some experts even predict that AI agents will soon become as common as smartphones, an everyday tool that helps us navigate life more efficiently. So what's next for AI agents? As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even smarter, more capable agents that can handle even more complex tasks. In the future, AI agents might manage entire businesses, assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, or even help scientists make breakthrough discoveries. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. AI agents are not just another tech buzzword. They are a powerful innovation that's already shaping our world. They can plan, interact with tools, remember important information, and take real-world actions. Whether you're a business owner looking to automate tasks, a student wanting to improve productivity, or just someone curious about the future of AI, understanding AI agents is essential. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions or thoughts about AI agents, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.